Ai lại muốn trở về miền tuyết lạnh, vùng giá băng sũng ướt cả mặt trời. Gió rét buốt chia cắt ra từng mảnh, thì nơi đây mây đẹp nắng thơm mời.
Hey, hello?
Hello, Master.
Yeah, you guys all right there?
Oh, we're doing fine, Master. Thank you for asking. How are you, Master?
Oh, I'm okay. I'm better.
Oh, good.
I ordered some vegan cheese for you guys.
Oh.
It's coming a little late because it's so difficult. Maybe too many people buy it. They cannot do it quick enough. Maybe a month or something.
Oh.
But
Thank you,
it
Master.
will be good. Better than nothing.
Yes, we love vegan cheese.
We'll have to order nearby.
Yes.
Because if we order from America or Europe, it takes a long time. Not that long, maybe, but it's so complicated.
Yes, Master.
And they put a lot of ice in order to keep it fresh on the way in the airplane, and it becomes astronomically expensive.
Yes.
But I asked them to order a lot this time from nearby, not from far away. It's better you eat something always nearby, within 50 kilometers from where you live.
Yes, I understand.
It's always better that way. Economically and environmentally, but also health-wise, they advise like that.
Yes, Master.
Okay. Anything you guys need? You and your colleagues?
We have everything we need.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yes. Thank you, Master.
I make sure now and then I just want to ask if something, if you're shy to ask. You still happy, huh? You know them. Everybody's happy, huh?
Yes, Master. Everyone's happy.
Yeah. It's good. Now I know. You don't see me at all, you're still happy. I am not needed. The message is loud and clear.
We need you outside and inside.
Yeah, inside I cannot escape.
Yes, Master.
One day when we have time, I will tell you guys a story about a wonderful planet.
Oh.
Compared to ours, yeah.
Oh, that would be exciting.
It's not far. It's about 150 light years from us.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. And they have visited us sometimes lately.
Oh, wow.
At least some weeks ago by UFO. Huh?
Oh, wow.
And we have nothing like that. Wow, what a shame. It's just wasting a lot of money for war, fighting, and harming humanity, harming each other, and harming the animals, people, the planet, and the environment. I am so sad. Anything good? Tell me.
We have some questions, Master.
Tell me.
Okay.
Who are we? Are you alone or two of you?
I'm just me.
Or somebody helps you somehow recording?
No, just me.
Okay. All right. Tell me.
Yes, Master. The French President Macron told President Zelensky to give up Ukrainian land to Russia so that Putin is not too humiliated in order to have peace. Is it a good solution, Master?
I don't know, son. Really, I tell you what. If the Ukrainian people agree to that, then I'm also glad. What is a piece of land anyway?
Yes, Master.
It's just that Russia is too bad. I mean, Putin is too bad. He wants one thing, and then he wants another thing, and then another thing. From Crimea until now, he never stopped.
Yes, Master.
Always preparing to snatch some more land. And not just more land. I told you he wanted Ukraine.
That's right.
And now, recently, they just discovered that there is a plan, the documents about President Putin, he wanted Ukraine. Just that they failed with Kiev. But if you give in to them, they will go back again.
Yes, Master.
Oh, I'm telling you, everybody wants peace, not just Zelensky and the Ukrainian people.
Yes, Master.
Everybody in the world wants peace. Because it costs too much, too many human lives, and maimed and suffer, and disabled people, and separated family, everything. And economy, and food shortage, everything is bad for humanity.
Yes.
But you see, President Zelensky, he's only a president. He doesn't own Ukraine as private property.
That's right.
So now, even if he wants peace desperately, he cannot go against his people's will, who voted for him.
Understand.
He has to do his people's mandate. every president or king or queen must.
Yes, Master.
He doesn't own Ukraine. Does Ukraine belong to Zelensky or anybody?
No, it doesn't.
No. And if his people don't mandate him, he cannot. He cannot give any peace even 1 inch away. He has no right to do it.
Yes, Master.
They voted for him because they trusted him to protect their land.
Yes.
How can he give it to Russia, even if he wanted to?
I understand, Master.
Which he doesn't. Because by the way that the Ukrainian people fight to death like that, it's clear like daylight that they don't want Russia.
Yes, Master.
Either the women, children, and the elderly run away to escape death and the brutality of Putin's war, or they stay behind and fight. They did not want to give up, even though they are in danger. They have food shortages and no drink and all that. For example, under the steel plant, the soldiers, there are not many, but they say they will not surrender. They will fight till the end.
Yes, they did.
So how can any, even the powerful president, give up any inch of their land?
Yes, Master.
They will turn against him if he does.
That's right.
Besides, Zelensky is like all of the Ukrainian people. They say they are Ukrainian. They don't surrender.
Yes.
I read also Zelensky said that we will not give any of our land just to save somebody's face.
That's right. Yes, he did.
That's not right, is it?
No, it's not.
What kind of international law is this? That anybody can just come into anybody's country brutally, bombing everywhere, killing anybody in sight, and then demand to have more land. And the international community should agree to that? Macron would support that?
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, that means encouraging Russia to continue to use brutal atrocities, to continue eating up land around Russia.
Yes, Master.
First of all, they say that because Ukraine wants to join NATO, so Putin sent his army to beat up Ukraine. But Ukraine still did not join NATO, and NATO said, okay, we don't accept Ukraine. Still killing the Ukrainians and want to take the country.
That's right.
No need any reason at all. Any reason, it's just BS, yeah?
Yes, Master.
You can see that very well.
Yes, Master.
And now, Finland, Sweden, he said that because Ukraine used to belong to Russia.
Yes.
But Finland and Sweden have nothing to do with Russia, and still also threaten them. They are in the European Union.
Yes, Master.
It's like threatening the whole European Union, because threatening one member of their family is like threatening the whole family.
Yes, Master.
So this Putin, he just say anything he wants and bully anybody he likes. So how can you support such a person? He is not human.
I understand.
Either he's a madman or he's evil. Even if you don't believe me that he's evil or working for Satan, you can believe that he's a madman.
Yes, Master.
There's no reason. You can't reason with this type of people. And then, how can Macron support Putin and give the excuse like free speech or whatever and air in Russian propaganda on their television?
Yes, Master.
So there's no need to talk anymore. Now you can see, okay?
Yes, Master. Very clear.
Even if President Macron likes Russian President Putin very much, he should know there's only one-way street, because he still threatens France with a real war through his subordinates, through Medvedev. Or maybe he enjoys seeing Putin in person from the other end of a 2-kilometer-long table. I guess it's better than nothing.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I can't believe. Just very disappointing. France's leader. Oh, man. There's no reason for Putin to bully anybody in any country.
No, not at all.
Just all kinds of rubbish excuses. And now even threatens Finland and Sweden. The more he threatens, the more they will come in. Because of his threat, that's why they come in.
Yes, that's right.
Originally, they didn't think about that.
Yes.
Now, thanks to Putin, that they would join NATO.
He sped them up.
Yeah. Otherwise, they would not even think about it, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Oh, but I don't like it, because Finland and Sweden were so easily welcomed. But Ukraine, no mention.
Yes, Master.
So this is either a kind of discrimination or cowardice. That's what I don't like.
Yes, Master.
And even Finland and Sweden, normally want to be neutral, but because of Putin's atrocity in Ukraine now, they wanted to join NATO.
Yes.
And what's that got to do with Putin? And he even threatened them.
Yes, Master.
They are sovereign country. They have their own independence and their own freedom.
Yes.
I mean, Sweden even has monarchy.
Yes, Master.
It has never belonged to Russia. So what's that got to do with Putin that he even forbids them to join NATO? They join anywhere they want. They can go to the moon, Mars if they want to.
Yes, Master.
This kind of mentality, how can Macron support it? It's not about the land that you can give away or not give away. It's people who live in it as well.
Yes.
You can't just sell your people to anybody who comes in using brutal force to snatch it.
That's right.
Suppose it happened to France. Would Macron do it?
Of course not.
Oh, he wouldn't. Oh, I hope not.
Oh, I hope not, yes.
Who knows if he's a coward? He would give it just so that he can be safe. It doesn't concern him in France yet, and he's already showing his weakness.
Yes, Master.
That's what I think it is. Weakness. Or bias.
Yes.
How can you turn your eyes away from the suffering of these gentle and peaceful Ukrainian people? Just only some weeks, and then the country is devastated like that.
Yes, Master.
And people die in tens of thousands and dozens of millions. It's 13 million now, or maybe even more. They lost count, became homeless, became beggar refugees in other countries.
Yes, Master.
They had their good life, they tended to their farm and were taking care of their family. Life was peaceful until Putin came along.
Yes, Master.
And how can Macron, president of France, even support that kind of brutality of the dictator or the evil, greedy so-called leader like Putin?
Yes, Master.
Even children would hate him. Even I am a so-called spiritual practitioner, but I could not bear it.
Understand.
So what do you think? Do you think he is right?
Of course he's not right, but maybe he's with the devil or something, or is influenced by them to help Putin.
I think so. Most of the world's leaders came to Kyiv already to show support.
Yes.
And to pledge some more financial help or military help.
Yes, Master.
Recently, even many of your American top congressmen, senators, or House top leaders all came to Kyiv to show support.
Yes, Master. That's right.
Oh, man. What kind of president, Macron? I'm so disappointed. I'm so sorry for him as well. How can he make himself into such a degraded status like that?
Yes, Master.
And he didn't even want to go to Kyiv. I read that somewhere.
Oh, yes.
He's too big to go. I guess he just won the election and still feels the heat of victory and became arrogant.
Yes, Master.
This is the thing that ancient wisdom is afraid of most. They are afraid most to become the loser if they become arrogant. Because like in the war, for example, they always warn the soldiers that when they win, they should not become arrogant because then they will lose. So a president could not afford to be arrogant like that.
Yes, Master.
The bigger you are in society, in the world, the more humble you should be.
Vẽ rừng lam ven theo biển, từng quán hàng tươi mát, nắng mỗi ngày nắng ấm cả